Welcome back to another video. My name is Nicholas and this is Eating the African Way. Today we decided to take you to one of the famous streets in Uganda. We're going to get more information, but let Ivan introduce your channel, what you do, because the viewers want to see, our family wants to know what you do and why are you in this video.
Ivan Atuhairwe is my name. I do take you around the streets of Kampala.
You do
not only Kampala, but also outside the city.
Kampala.
I'll give you different experiences, and today I'm happy to be part of the Eating the African Way.
You're here to eat?
Yes, I'm here to eat. I've already started. As we were doing the introduction, I was following up what I was already chewing.
So let us also get more information about this place from the person you're going to meet. We're going to do Salawano. Yeah? So we're going to hear the prices and everything. How is it, by the way? Because I haven't tested. I've been moving around looking for the authorities, but how is it?
It's nice, and the fact that I usually tell people, if you're buying any street food, make sure it is either warm. Can I say hot? Hot is a different term. Like it's not cold. If you go for something that is cold, you may have issues with your stomach. So it's better you go with something that is hot. There are less chances of contamination.
Yeah,
that's
but
what I believe.
Yeah, but as you watch, tell us what you want to see next in other videos. So let us talk to the owner of this place of Salawano. These are the animal offers. They can be from a goat, a cow, not pig, not a pig.
No, it's for halal animals.
It has to be halal, not haram.
Sheep they can bring.
Yo! So let us talk to the owner and then we dive more into the video. Don't go anywhere, keep watching until the end. Please introduce yourself and tell our viewers the location of this place and how much are the pieces.
We have 500,
500, yeah? So you start from 500 to 1,000 Ugandan shillings. So what is the location of this place? Kamocha Gagan. So if you...
A market of fish.
Market of fish. Hey, so it's a market, a very busy market, but we're not going to move around. We're going to be at this place because some other people wouldn't want to be seen in the video. You know what happens always in those videos, but we're going to be here until the video ends. But also we'll give you so enjoy the video, tell us what you want to see next, and also would you want to try this? Would you even think about it? So how many times have you tested this?
This is my first time.
Your first time?
I've never eaten this.
Where do you stay? You stay in Uganda?
Of course I stay in Uganda and I stay in Tageto,
Nalukolongo.
Yeah, Kabao. I'm trying it for the first time. I'm liking it. I think I'll come back another time because I like meat. And mostly this that is roasted, it's better than the one that is fried. Even chicken, would rather give me one that is roasted than one that is fried.
So are the prices fair? 500 to 1,000 to 1,000 Ugandan shillings. Are the prices fair to you?
The prices are very fair. I was even I was surprised that there is something that costs for 500. I thought the beginning fee is 1,000, but 500 is good because I've seen also kids coming around to buy. It's good because you know kids in these areas, we may call it a ghetto.
Yeah, part of it is a ghetto, yes.
So most of the kids want to buy small things. They go make their own money, collect scrap, and then get money, and these are some of the things they would want to eat.
Yeah. And also we don't guarantee Olaga Wakumao. And also we are not so sure about the security because you might ask us how is the security. We have no idea. But what we can tell you is we always have to stay vigilant.
Of course.
So let us go back to the eating part because I want you to see what is happening here. A lot is that people come here, buy and go. Others don't want to be seen in the camera, so I have to switch off the camera. They buy until they go. But enjoy the video. Tell us what you want to see next. Yeah. So let us have something. I think let us have something. So Asime Pius, our family watching this video would want to know where do you buy this stuff from, or can you even mention their names? Now I'm just seeing. Please, can you mention their names?
We have hats.
Hats? I haven't seen any. Where is it?
This one is the part
Hey, part of the heart.
Gullet.
Gullet. Ooh. Uh-huh.
This one, and then I have this one, small intestine.
Small intestines. You also have large intestines. Even the throat. How is it called? The cameraman,
Gullet.
Gullet. Hey. So what else? I'm also seeing matoke. I think so. Some of the things you shouldn't miss out are the matoke. These are the accompaniments, yeah, you have. So do you sell them separately or just part of the meat?
Part of the meat. You can buy the meat, then I mix it with matoke.
Hey, at the same price.
The same price.
Woo! Okay, so we are going to have that. We are going to have that in the video. But where do you buy them from? Kalerwe Rufula. So in case you want to join this business or you want to know where they buy them from, you go to Kalerwe. You know that one of the biggest markets we have in Uganda. So one of the biggest abattoirs we have in Kampala or in Uganda is along Kalerwe Road. That's where you're going to find these in varieties. So you can pass by and do yourself a favor. Enjoy part of Ugandan street foods. But if you have the same foods in your country, you can also tell us how much they cost. How much? These cost cents. Just cents. Not even $1, but cents. 500, 1,000 Ugandan shillings, cents. I know one of you can even buy the whole stuff and then you call it a day. So let us see what I'm going to have. Oh, you know, this is life on the streets of Kampala, or even not only in the streets of Kampala, but also worldwide. You might be asking yourself, what are other things that happen in this market? There are so many things. Behind the cameraman, they sell clothes. I don't know how big the market is, but I'm seeing so many activities running. The grocery part, we have fish. Behind me there is fish, but we are not going to go to that side. And also on my right, there are so many things happening. So it's also another market where you can come and have a varieties. You know, our markets are so mixed up. You find clothes, food in the same place. But for us, we're used to that. Some of you will be shocked, but for us, this is the normal. This is what is part of us. So I think that is it. That is it. Let us enjoy, and then we close the video. This is what we ordered for. I don't even remember the names, but what I remember is there is what?
The gullet.
Gullet, small intestines.
Some parts of the heart.
Some parts of the heart.
Mostly the veins that bring in the
blood.
The blood, yeah. And then the others we are gotten from the lungs, like there are those trucks that are used that transport air.
So how much is that? How much do you think it's going to cost us?
They are 7 pieces.
7 pieces.
How many pieces are they? There are 5 pieces. And roughly that is 5,000 plus 2 pieces of bananas. That makes it 6,000. Remember, I had already eaten some already. That makes it 8,000 that we have spent, not even 10,000.
So roughly, we are going to, how much are we going to spend? Roughly
10,000.
10,000. I'm going to convert that in dollars so that you can see how much you're going to eat. And also you might be asking yourself, why does he cut them in small pieces?
He cuts them into pieces,
yes,
to make sure that they get enough fire,
so that they can cook
sure
well.
All the properties that are not yet cooked, that are half cooked, are fully cooked, and then we also go into the system.
Yeah, but before we go to the next stage, remind them your channel and your name.
My channel name is Ivan Atuhairwe. Still, it's my name, Ivan Atuhairwe. I do content. I take you around Kampala. It's around Uganda now. It's elevating to around Uganda, and I give you more similar things, but mine it's not too much food, but it's around infrastructure and giving you tours of different areas.
Yes.
So that's what I do. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Ivan Atuhairwe.
Yeah, so thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. You can find time and check out Ivan Atuhairwe. I'm going to do a link in my description box of this very video. Get time, check it out, share love, check out his channel. You might be interested in something different because here we look at food only. His is all over, almost all over. So, let us eat. I think we should eat.
It's time for eating.
Yeah, this is always my favorite part. The last part where I have to come in, eat. We have shared the prices. It ranges from 500 to 1,000, but we are roughly we are going to enjoy like for 10,000. So let us enjoy this. Let us enjoy this. As I told you, this is one of the most affordable, the cheapest street food you will get on the streets of Kampala, Uganda. And not to forget, this is Kamocha Slum, so busy with so many activities running in the market. And the prices give chance to all the age groups to enjoy the delicacy. Putting aside the different sounds from different vendors, the smoke from Salawano covers the entire place, which makes it irresistible to the customers. The markets get so crowded, the cars, the motorcycles, the bicycles, people all have to squeeze their way in and out of the market. Such a hassle you have to go through. When you see food close to my eyes, just know this is the last part of the video, my favorite. So how is it? You have been testing ever since we reached here. This is going to be my first taste.
I think this last touch, where he cuts it into different parts and then puts it on fire for some more extra time, it makes it crunchy. You can really see it.
Here they don't chili and salt.
Yeah, chili and salt, and then we also have the bananas. Like these are the green bananas. When they roast them, they become soft, just like the ones like the matoke, the famous matoke that they smash and then serve it with different sauces. Yeah, I think.
But would you try this? Would you have time and come and try this?
I also like this part of the video.
I also love the crunchy part of it. But some parts are hard to chew. Others are so tender. So some are so tender, others are hard because of the texture. But we're enjoying this. We're enjoying this. So as we close the video, remind them your channel, your name, and anything nice we'll talk about this street or what we are enjoying.
First of all, I love the people around here. Like they've welcomed us. We just told them what we do, and most of them are fine. They're minding their businesses, not interrupting. Like, why are you filming? Or what? And the other thing is that the streets are lively. This evening, people are going back home. I also want to remind them that I'm still Ivan Atuhairwe, YouTube content creator. Also on Facebook and Instagram, still the same name. By the way, I also do guided tours around Kampala for people that want them. I'll take you around Kampala, bring you to these kind of places. If they're part of what you want to discover, I'll bring you there and I'll make sure that you're safe. That is my part.
Yeah, and I also do food tours around Kampala, even outside Kampala. And I have so many people that have booked and enjoy the foods, enjoy the tour. So feel free to book your tour earlier. You can let us know so that we can arrange something good for you.
Yeah. By the way, Kampala has a lot to offer. If you give it time and you have a person that knows most of the areas, Mr. Food will take you through the different foods that we have, mostly the local foods. Guys, you shouldn't leave Uganda. If you've come on a tour, you shouldn't leave Uganda without trying our local foods. They are very rich. Right from the foods, the vegetables, the fruits, I mentioned less. When you come, try them out for yourself.
So these are places we go to when you book a food tour. We go to Owino Market, Nakasero Market, around all the food, street food places, along Lake Victoria. There are so many places, and you have seen these in the videos. So you know the prices. You can also reach out earlier, tell us how much, you can ask how much you would want to spend, or you think we can spend on the food, so that we can give you the right budget. And also the prices we charge, we always leave room for bargaining. You can bargain. Tell us how much you have.
That chili added something extra onto this bowl that we have right now, and I'm just loving it. Well, I'm not a fan of chili, but I'm loving what is in the bowl at the moment. You should try it out. And this is my first time. I usually bypass these places, these midpoints, or the, what are they called?
Call them street food places or joints.
I usually pass them, and I've never thought of buying. Maybe what I buy is the fish. Those pieces, the fish they slice and then sell those ones.
I know why you buy fish, because in your village you don't have lakes.
We have Lake Albert.
Lake Victoria.
Lake Albert.
But that was a joke. But as you watch, you can tell us what you have learned in this video, something new you have seen in this video, something you would want to see again. Tell us in the comment section any video idea you want to see next. Any place you want us to visit. You can check out Ivan Atuhairwe, and also don't miss out our what? More of what is yet to come.
They should subscribe, turn on the notifications, and wait for the rest.
I think that is it. Can we end here? Yeah, I'm going to take some.
Okay.
And you?
I'll leave it for you.
Some have had textures, others are tender, but
I also like the aroma that is coming off this bowl. I did not talk about that.
No, the smoke.
No, it's not the smoke. The first time I got it, I loved it from there and then, but I had not talked about it. I'm talking about it at the last ends.
So, all right, this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being part of our families. Eating the African way. Ivan Atuhairwe, Mr. Katwere. Bye for now.
Bye. We'll meet in another video. On my channel, I'll be uploading something. I do upload almost every week. I upload like 5 times. That's me.
Okay, Mr. I forgot your name.
Pius.
Mr. Mr. Pius. Yes. Tell our viewers, do you have anything you would want to tell our viewers? Maybe call them to support your business. Yes. Oh, okay, that was it. Bye-bye.